Welcome to Judge Today. Will justice prevail today? Let's find out. Stay with us as this courtroom case takes an unexpected turn.
Anything else quick before I'm going to call the Thorns matter.
Thorn's matter should be quick too, Judge. Judge, I believe we have a resolution on merit. It's be very quick.
Probably shouldn't have asked out loud. Let's bring Thorns out.
Can I have you?
Court does call the case, People versus Patrick Thorn, Jr.
Assistant Prosecuting Attorney Morgan Moroso on behalf of the people.
Kenneth Overwater, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Mr. Thorns, who's present. Mr. Thorns, please state your name for the record.
Patrick Thorns. Thank you. All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, this is the date and time set for preliminary exam. At this time, we were planning on proceeding under 27C with our officer. She is a member of the YPD and is one of only 2 officers on call. At this time, she is responding to a felony and is not in attendance. We would be asking for a 1-week adjournment in this matter. I do note for the record that the defendant has a VOP up in circuit court for which his bond has been denied. The next court date for that is the 26th. He also has a $5,000 hold out of the MSP Metro Narcotics team. Because at this point, his bond has been denied up in circuit court until the 26th, which is
Monday.
on Monday. We would be requesting just until the 27th so that an officer can be present. I do note that before this case was reauthorized, she was present in attendance and prepared to proceed to exam very late in the afternoon on that date. I have been in communication with her this morning. She has said that she was planning on attending before she got called to the scene.
All right. Response.
Judge, we would move to dismiss. The complaining witness has never been present, and now the police officer witness is not present. I understand that there are extenuating circumstances and reasons for that, but today's the court date. If my client doesn't show up for a court date, there are consequences. I would move to dismiss with prejudice at this point. This has been refiled. It does continue to hold my client in custody because he's held on VOPs, but those violations of probation allege only this new offense. So if this offense is dismissed, the probation violations will also be dismissed. My client informs me that his hold in Romulus has been resolved. He's pled that matter out, and he expects to be put on misdemeanor probation and continue reporting here in Washtenaw County at Circuit Court probation.
Further matter out of Romulus.
That MSP hold. I took a plea deal. It was supposed to be ran concurrent with my probation.
Just what I just said.
Well, is that plea a part of his violation also, or no?
Not that I'm aware of. It certainly hasn't been alleged.
When is the officer expected back? You know?
I am not sure, Your Honor. At this point, she told me that she was still on scene.
Okay. What kind of potential felony is it? I mean, is it going to be an all day? We don't know if it's going to be an all day thing.
I do not know, Your Honor.
Because even if I were to grant the adjournment to the day after he appears in circuit court, I'm not available that day because I've got a 3-person prelim going that day, right?
Correct. On 27.
It's not going to be an all day.
That's my understanding. Can it not be on the 26th?
And we do it on
So on the 26th or Friday, we only have one.
it. All right. What time is his proceeding on the 26th?
It is at 1:30.
I can do the morning of the 26th. That way, if it's not bound over, you'll know that when you go to the 1:30 hearing.
Mm-hmm.
If it is, you'll also know that when you go to the 1:30 hearing and can prepare for that. So I can do it Monday morning.
The people have no objection to that.
It's not.
That way, if he's resolved the Romulus thing, he'll have this resolved. And then that, because the reality is, even if I were to dismiss it, I wouldn't dismiss it with prejudice. So it would be hanging out there anyway. So
with that, the court's denying my motion to dismiss with prejudice.
I think that's clear. Yeah.
Very well. Then that was the motion that I made. I can make, certainly someone can appear. If not myself personally, we can be there on the 26th.
Who's the probation case before?
Judge Slay.
Judge Slay. Okay. So I'm sure she'll work with us timing wise, but we'll set it. Preliminary examination in this matter. I will adjourn it. I will find it in circumstances good cause to do so. I will adjourn it to the February 26th, 2024, 9 a.m. That's before the meeting. In person.
Not saying nothing. Like, what the fuck?
He's giving you a date on the 26th.
It's ridiculous, man. That's crazy.
Continued. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. First time. Didn't do it.